It's so unreal. This is beautiful. Welcome to the Blue Lake. Breakfast like a king. The table is flooded.
Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga.
Yo, it's a boy Houston. You know what it is. We outside. So today, I'll be embarking on an adventure into the woods to a place many people barely even know. Some hidden gem right here in Malaysia. So guys, come with me. Let's explore this hidden gem, and it's called the Blue Lake. And afterward, I'll be going into the Kampung here for some delicious local dishes for breakfast and lunch. So come with me. Let's go. We have to climb the hills. As you can see, we have to hike. So we have to hike for about 45 minutes to 1 hour to get to the Blue Lake. Now we're heading into the palm oil plantation before we get to the Blue Lake. If you don't know how to navigate, you might end up missing your way. So you have to be careful if you're coming to this place. I'm so excited, I don't know. I just can't wait to see the Blue Lake, how it looks like.
You want to tell me what this is all about?
Yo, finally we made it! We're here! Wow, look at how beautiful it is. Look at the landscape. Look at the color. And woo! Welcome to the Blue Lake! Woo! This is beautiful! Nature is beautiful! It's so unreal, like you wouldn't even believe that you're in Malaysia. You might think you're somewhere else around the world. You know, look at it. This is so beautiful. Nature is so beautiful. Like there are so many interesting and amazing, beautiful places to explore here in Malaysia. This is just one of the hidden gems that you don't get to see on TV. Right here in Semien, one of the hidden gems in Malaysia. So guys, check it out. This place is actually located next to a construction and gravel stone company. All right, guys, let's go now. We need to go for the best breakfast here in this Kampung. We need to go scout for the best delicious Malaysian real Kampung dish, real Kampung breakfast and lunch. So guys, let's go for breakfast and lunch. Let's go. It's a boy Houston. You know what it is, guys. We are outside for breakfast and lunch at the same time. It was recommended by some of my subscribers to check this place out. So I'm here at Lily Gardens, the Manga, somewhere around Bangi. So after exploring the Blue Lake in Semien, so I decided to stop over to try their food here for some local dishes, some local delicious Malaysian dishes. So guys, come with me. Let's enjoy the Kampung food here. Let's enjoy the flavors from Lily's Garden, the Manga. Let's go. Yo, so this place, they have so many customers. Currently, it's full house. So we are seated outside for us to be ushered inside when the tables are empty. So we are waiting. I can't wait to try the dishes here. I just love the ambience, so beautiful garden, Kampung style, the settings and all. So, but I can't wait to try the food. I'm here for the food.
It's very nice. It's good, really.
Wow. So nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Hello.
Oh, nice one.
Okay. Thank you. We have a satay, we have lempeng, and then we have asam padas, we have white rice. What is this called? Wonton darak. Yeah, and then we have, what is this one called?
Roti jala.
Roti jala. And then we have some dessert, some sambar, and then teh tarik. So right now, as you can see, the table is flooded. We have so many dishes on the table, so many things to try. We'll start with this. You take this, and then you dip inside the curry. Wow. Man, this curry is so flavorful. What is it made of? Flour. And here we have the sambar. This sambar, right? This
It's a peanut sauce.
peanut sauce. Oh, that's for this. Okay. Let's try the teh tarik. Now, let's try this lempeng. This is called lempeng. Kelapa, lempeng, kalapa. Is it kelapa or kalapa?
Yes, kalapa.
Kelapa lempeng and tesan.
Yes,
Tesan lempeng.
yes.
So how do we eat it? Where's the curry? What to eat it with? Is it with asam padas or
Just like that.
just like that? Okay.
You don't give any sauce.
So this is coconut flakes.
Yeah, I think we just
There, I have coconut flakes.
this one.
So sweet. So look at it. Lempeng. So this one is banana. Pesang. Pesang. Yeah. Not just like banana.
I think nice.
This is so delicious. You have to eat it like this. Well, I need something to eat it like a curry. So let me dip it inside this. This is asam padas. So we dip inside. Wow. This is so good. This one is banana mixed with some flour. You can really taste the sweetness of the banana inside. This is so good. Let me try it with this gravy. This one is peanut sauce. Peanut gravy. This is good. Santan Derak. Huh?
Lantang darah.
Lantan Darak. Let's try it. I think it'll be ham.
You sure?
Yeah, I think I eat it with ham. This is rice. This sauce is like peanut sauce. And the texture is hard, like rice cake. And then you eat it together with this peanut gravy. You have to mix it up. Look at that. And then you makan. This is a combination of the rice cake, the lamb curry, peanut gravy, with some other vegetables. And then you eat. Oh, this is good. White rice, and then we have asam pedas. So take the asam pedas and then you pour it. Woo! Flood it. This is so fresh. Look at that. The asam pedas. Let's try it together with the rice. When you're eating a good food, this is one of the evidence. You sweat. This is food paradise. I've been having different kind of dishes that I don't even know their names. Try one after another. This is so good. This is one thing I love about Malaysia. They have so many options, so many varieties of food to choose. Yeah, now it's time to go for the satay. Yeah, this is the last on the table that I ordered for satay. So but I'm waiting for my coffee O to blend it, to wash it down. Yo, thank you. Yes. Here we have our coffee O. Called coffee O, right? This. So, cheers. Wow, look at that. Woo.
Try to dip the biscuit.
Yes. We use our satay. Dip it inside the peanut sauce, thick gravy. I feel like I'm in heaven. I'm trying so many dishes. I'm enjoying myself. What a lovely and rich breakfast here in Bangui. This is so good. Life is good.
Dip it.
Wow.
Bukas. Oh, kita kena luar. Keluar. Oh, okay.
This is the richest breakfast you can ever get here in Bangui. I tell you for free. Breakfast like a king. Look at this chateau. My blended. Maria, Maria.
Then later you drink this one. And then
Maria. This is one of the best breakfasts I've ever had ever since I came to Malaysia. I won't lie, I tell you for free. This place, their food is so special. Authentic Malaysian dishes. I'm so full, I can't even breathe, can't even walk. Hello. So everything I ate here amounted to 133 Malaysian ringgit. That's quite reasonable for that amount of food.